Okay, I talk patchy, so get over it. I'm just... By the way, this is recording.
Oh,
hi, YouTube.
You're gonna die. Come on out. I'm gonna throw Diamondite at your ass.
I throw a stick of dynamite of death's ass. Oh.
Die! Die!
I threw a death through dynamite.
Shoot your head off. I'm gonna throw Diamondite
I
at
see
your
the
ass.
purple monkey.
Oh god, not the purple monkey.
He's in my room. He's just standing there.
Bloody hell, that's cold Coke!
You're not supposed to eat the TV screen, you're supposed to play!
Lol.
Ah, he's shooting me! He's shooting me! Yes! Okay, sorry about that.
I'm gonna
It's
play
okay.
Warcraft.
So, Zonic, what's up? Wait, is he on?
Yes?
Oh, cool. Hello there.
Hi.
I promised that we would do a recording, so you know what? This is the recording.
Yay.
YouTube.
He blowed up! He blowed up!
Who agrees that?
I think he's gone nuts.
Sonya, Death has beat it to it.
Well, Patchy, I'm gonna
When
translate.
was the last, Sonia, when was the last time you got high on ham?
It is well, and your father's rifle is in your hands today. His spirit shares. Keep happy.
Goodbye.
Come on, Suki.
Where'd Gabby go?
Oh, Lord. I can't be bothered to save this. I'm just gonna stop.
I'm gonna play Warcraft.
Why me? Why me? Ow. That hurt.
Death, what'd you do now?
The disc fell on my head again.
How the hell did it do that?
My ear.
Pardon me.
You're going a bit insane.
I
He's
said,
gone
put my
totally
ears off
insane.
and then shed them.
I want to play a game.
I sound like...
See if you come back, you stupid wolf.
Oh.
He doesn't want to come back.
Shut up. Thank you. Can you hear that? That's my hamster eating. Guys,
How can you
speak!
hear
I'm
it?
scared! I'm getting nervous.
How can you have a hamster? How can you hear a hamster eating? You
There.
have to get really up close.
Okay, fine. I'll close.
This is
Eat,
gonna-
hamster! Eat! Eat my laptop. Ah, she's not eating! Eat! You fat hamster.
Eat now.
Okay, fine, it doesn't want to eat. When I go, I bet you will start eating again.
Just make sure you don't feed it too much, like Gabby did to her bird.
I want to play a game.
Oh, I don't.
I want to play a game. I want to play a game.
Tough.
What kind of game?
Wait, the one where you die.
Jigsaw falls off a bike!
That sounds like so much fun. No, she's gone nuts now. Is everyone high in this chat?
Me!
No, I'm just playing Wolf Quest and I've just had
I am
ham.
crack! so funny.
I've got Coke, but I'm not high yet.
Jigsaw's dead!
Jigsaw's what? He's dead?
Jigsaw's dead.
He fell
okay.
off his bike again!
We should give him a proper burial.
No, I'm watching him fall off his bike again.
Oh, I've seen that video before.
He's gone out the door now. He's ashamed. Come back here. Come back here. Don't close that door on me. Come back here. Yeah, now. Okay, fine. You be like that. There's this one in High Chickmunk version. It was so funny.
Watch the video I just put down.
Oh, CP, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. I know you're
I
excited.
have to
bloody
see
hell.
it again. Okay,
What?
let's all talk
Nearby
about
then.
something random.
There's a den nearby. If you can find it, you
guys,
can make it
guys.
your home.
Yeah.
Guys,
Well,
let's talk
Yes.
about something random and stop talking about games and all these high definition videos and stuff like that because YouTube can't see them. We're talking.
I know, but
This is the third video I made today. Wow. Everyone, I'm scared. Start talking, otherwise I'm gonna go insane. Oh,
Purple
no.
monkeys.
They're all dead.
Purple monkeys. I'm saying things.
Did you see the purple monkey too? I love.
Yes, I did. I've seen it twice. I saw it. I'm seeing it right now, and I saw it in one of my videos.
Oh my god, I saw the purple monkey.
I made a video. Yeah, I made a video yesterday, and there was a purple monkey.
Yes.
Like I was recording something, and there was just a purple monkey there.
My guardian sees this green, really light green hippo. It lives in our house, and it's starting to eat my room, so we have to kick it out.
I know, cause I got this electric giraffe in my room, and he keeps like breaking everything.
Damn it all.
And he breaks all my video game systems with his electricity.
Wow.
I had to get a new 360 with like a protection or something on it. Like I had to get a protection plan for like 2 years just in case he did it again.
Very nice story. You know, even Jigsaw is clapping to that. See? Why do I taste like fish tail? Oh my god, how many pictures?
No, wait a minute.
God. I just turned my back around and there's like a million pictures.
I see an aqua tiger outside of my house.
Wait, how long have we been recording for? I don't know.
I have no idea.
It's peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly time! Oh, wait, yeah. What?
Please don't sing that song, it's annoying.
Yeah, well, I thought everyone
It's
would
peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter Oh, come on,
Yeah,
anybody else?
see? Even Sonic joins in.
Let's do that. Let's
I
do it at
hate
the same
that
time.
song.
We all like it.
Yeah, it's awesome.
It's a peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter
Peanut butter jelly time. Oh, come on.
Shut up.
Wait. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing, I'm playing Wolf Quest.
Oh my god. I feel sick.
Where's my freaking den?
Okay,
There it is.
Sonya, I don't know where it is, but I think I should stop the recording now because we're not doing anything random.
Oh, it's my head.
Yeah.
Okay, let's all just act random, and then I might keep it going.
Okay.
Who likes waffles?
I'm a freaking waffle. That happened to my hands the other day. Like, I was just looking at my hands, and they turned into freaking waffles. I was
Oh
hitting
my
things
God.
like, it just started
Sonic,
buzzing and...
can I eat you? Can I eat you,
Yeah.
Sonic? Yay.
Yes, but what toppings would you want for my waffle hand?
Mommy.
I don't care, I'm eating you whole.
Okay.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
You was a good dinner. I mean pudding.
Pudding?
Retarded face a lot. Okay, guys, we're not really talking about anything. I'm getting nervous again. Why am I the only one talking?
Because everybody else is being quiet. Jason never says anything.
Shut the fuck up!
No.
I want to play a game. You
cannot play a game.
I'm trying to do something. Okay, I'm gonna all creep you out with jigsaw right here. Right
Not your
here.
territory.
I want to play a game. You have all got a reverse bear trap on you. Soon it will all go out. You have 5 seconds to get it out. Start right now. 5, 4,
I'm trying, woman.
2, 1.
Bang!
Too late.
You all died. You all failed. So I get your money.
Death, look at the bottom. Ha 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 ha.
Yeah, but the rest died. So I get that money.
But I get a little bit of it since I survived.
Fine.
Yay! I like the fact how you said fine and then you typed in fine.
We have half each. Wait, how much did Sonic actually have? How much does Sonic and Sonya have?
I have like, $600.
Holy shit.
Holy.
Okay, everyone say goodbye.
I'm just joking.
Everyone, say goodbye.
Bye,
If you wanna
people.
get that jigsaw back.
I'd like to say hi to Chloe, and I'd like to say hi to Jessica. There we go.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.